This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Google just released an AI that doesn't just answer questions, it actually thinks about them first. Meet Gemini 2.5 DeepThink, the AI that achieved a gold medal at the International Mathematical Olympiad, competing against the world's brightest minds. This isn't just about math, this is about fundamentally changing how AI works. Here's what makes DeepThink revolutionary. Instead of giving you the first answer, it spawns multiple AI agents working in parallel, exploring different approaches and revising ideas before delivering the best response. Think about how you solve complex problems. You explore angles, consider trade-offs, maybe sleep on it. DeepThink does exactly that, but in seconds. The results are impressive. 87.6% on LiveCodeBench coding challenges, outperforming OpenAI's O3 on key benchmarks. We're talking about an AI that builds web applications from single prompts and tackles research problems that challenge human experts. So how do you actually get your hands on this? Here's exactly what you need to do. First, you'll need a Google AI Ultra subscription. That's $249.99 per month in the US. Yes, it's expensive, but you're getting access to Google's most advanced AI technology. Once you're subscribed, head to the Gemini app on web or mobile. Select Gemini 2.5 Pro from the model dropdown, and you'll see a new DeepThink toggle button in the prompt bar. Click it, and you're ready to go. Here's the reality check. You only get a few DeepThink prompts per day. Google is being deliberately cautious, rolling this out slowly while they conduct safety evaluations. If $250 per month sounds steep, there's hope. Google is planning to release DeepThink via their API to trusted testers in the coming weeks, and they're exploring enterprise and developer use cases. This suggests broader availability might be on the horizon. When you use it, the results are impressive. DeepThink excels at iterative development, building complex projects piece by piece. Users report better web designs, solved coding problems, and research breakthroughs. Save your prompts for complex tasks, multi-step coding, strategic planning, creative problem solving. For simple questions, use regular Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's genuinely thinking through problems, not just generating responses. This represents a huge shift in AI development. We've moved beyond pattern matching to genuine reasoning. OpenAI's O3, xAI's Grok 4 Heavy, Anthropic's Claude 4 Opus, all following this thinking model approach. It's an AI reasoning arms race, and the implications are staggering. From accelerating research to revolutionizing development, we're entering an era where AI genuinely thinks through problems. So there you have it. Google Gemini 2.5 DeepThink is here, powerful, and available today, if you're willing to pay the premium. Let me know if you try DeepThink, and subscribe for the latest AI breakthroughs. The future is thinking, and it's happening now.